Hello students, welcome to my channel Go Global Journey. Today in this video, we will discuss about the IELTS academic task 1, that is graph on data of UK immigration. Let's begin. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. The chart gives information about the data of immigration, emigration and net migration in UK between 1999 and 2008. Summarize the main information of the chart. You should write at least 150 words. Now look out for sample answer number 1. The provided chart displays information about UK immigration, emigration and net migration from 1999 to 2008. During the mentioned period, both immigration and emigration rates increased, but the rate of immigration was considerably higher. The peak of net migration was observed in 2004 and 2007. In the beginning, in 1999, more than 450,000 people arrived to reside in the UK, while the number of individuals who left the country was just under 300,000. Net migration was about 160,000, which remained steady until 2003. From 1999 to 2004, the immigration rate escalated by almost 150,000 people, while the increase in emigration was much lower. In 2004, net migration reached almost 250,000 people. Subsequent to 2004, immigration rate continued to be high, but the number of immigrants varied. Emigration experienced a sharp decline in 2007 before reaching its peak at approximately 420,000 people in 2008. Consequently, the net migration figure escalated to nearly 240,000 people in 2007, but decreased back to around 160,000 in 2008. This is the end of sample answer 1. Now keep an eye on sample answer 2. The provided chart depicts the changes in UK migration patterns between 1999 and 2008, focusing on immigration, emigration and net migration figures. Overall, it is evident that migration levels were considerably higher than emigration rates throughout the period, with net migration peaking in 2004 and 2007. In the initial year of the period under review, the UK welcomed more than 450,000 immigrants, while almost 300,000 people left the country. Consequently, the net migration tally was around 160,000, a figure that remained relatively steady until 2003. Between 1999 and 2004, immigration figures surged by approximately 150,000, with immigration rates showing a much more modest rise. This resulted in a net migration peak of nearly 250,000 in 2004. Despite some fluctuations, immigration rates remained high after 2004, while emigration figures showed greater volatility. Notably, the immigration count plummeted suddenly in 2007 before surging to roughly 420,000 in 2008. This led to a corresponding increase in net migration, which rose to approximately 240,000 in 2007 before declining to around 160,000 in 2008. This is the end of the sample answer 2. Now I will tell you some of the vocabulary used in this graph and their alternatives. Number 1. Immigration. The act of coming to live permanently in a foreign country. Alternative words: migration, settlement, relocation. Number 2. Emigration. The act of leaving one's own country to live permanently in another country. Alternative words: departure, relocation, outward migration. Number 3. Net migration. The difference between the number of immigrants and the number of emigrants in a given period. Alternative words: migration balance, migration difference. Number 4. Peaked. Reached the highest point. Alternative words: reached a climax, hit a maximum. Number 5. Fluctuated. Changed frequently in size, amount, or level. Alternative words: varied, oscillated, seesawed. Number 6. Suddenly. Happening or done quickly and unexpectedly. Alternative words: abruptly, all of a sudden, without warning. Number 7. Fell back. Decreased or returned to a previous level. Alternative words: dropped, declined, decreased again. Number 8. Figure. A number or statistic. Alternative: statistic, data point. Number 9. Plummeted. Means to fall or drop suddenly and steeply. Alternative words: plunked, collapsed, dropped sharply, tumbled, plunked dramatically, or fell sharply. This is the end of the video. If this video is useful for you, do not forget to like and share the video. And let me know which sample answer you like the most. If you want to see more such informative videos, then subscribe our channel. Thank you.